Filters are so important all around our home. From our dryer, our lawnmower, to our furnace, filters keep things running smoothly and efficiently. And when something goes haywire, they're often the first and easiest thing you should check. To help you out, we've put together a guide on what filters you should be checking and when to replace them. What filters do you think need to be checked, cleaned, or replaced regularly? Let us know in the comments below. Refrigerator filters. Over time, water dispenser filters on your fridge can form bacteria and mold, making it much less effective and even unhealthy. Replace your water filter every 6 months for the purest drinking water and ice. Dishwasher filters. If you want your dishes to be their cleanest, check the manual filter in your dishwasher and clear it out if it's dirty or clogged. You'll want to do this every 2 to 3 weeks and replace it every 3 to 6 months. Air purifier filters. The air in your home should be healthy and clean, but a dirty air filter increases the risk of allergies and respiratory illnesses. Replace your air filter once or twice a year to avoid any issues. Over-the-range filters. If the filter over your range isn't clean, it won't exhaust heat or cooking fumes very well. Over time, this can mean a sticky film on your stove and walls. Gross. Clean and inspect the filter every 6 months and replace it when needed. Dryer filters. Your lint filter can pose a fire risk when it's full, so you want to clean it out after every load of laundry. Lint can also build up in your dryer's cabinet and duct, so check and clean them every few months. Vacuum filters. Clean out the air filter regularly and replace it as instructed in your owner's manual. A neglected air filter can get clogged and end up spewing dirt and dust back out onto the floor and into the air. This is what we call anti-productive, so keep the filter clean. Dehumidifier filters. A dirty air filter limits the airflow your dehumidifier gets, causing it to work harder and ultimately break sooner. Check the air filter every 6 months and replace it when needed. Furnace filters. The harder your furnace has to work to heat your home, the more energy it uses. Keep it running efficiently and keep costs down by replacing the filter every 3 months. Outdoor powered equipment or small engine filters. Fuel filters and air filters in things like your lawnmower or chainsaw stop dirt and debris from clogging up the carburetor and other internal engine parts. If these parts get gummed up with junk, the engine is going to have to work harder to get the job done, using more energy and performing poorly. Clean the filters regularly and replace them every year for best results. Following this general guide will help keep your home running smoothly, but don't forget to check your owner's manual for more recommendations and instructions. What other important filters should be checked, cleaned, or replaced regularly? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. While you're at it, visit Fix.com for more useful videos, blogs, and so much more.